Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to purchase Zoho quickly and easily. Whether you're looking for Zoho Books, Zoho CRM, or any other Zoho product, this step-by-step guide will help you get set up without any confusion. First, log into your Zoho account. This is essential as it gives you access to all the platform's features and subscription options. For this tutorial, we'll use Zoho Books as an example. Once logged in, head over to the Settings section. This is your control hub where you can manage your account and subscription preferences. Next, locate the Organization tab. This is where you manage your company's information and subscription details. Click on Manage Subscription to view the plans Zoho offers. Take a moment to review the options and choose the plan that best fits your needs. Zoho provides plans for different business sizes and requirements, so pick the one that suits your organization. After selecting your plan, click Upgrade. This action confirms your choice and unlocks the features included in that plan. You can also add optional add-ons, such as extra users or advanced features, to customize your subscription further. This ensures that your plan perfectly aligns with your business needs. Once you've made your selections, click Continue. Review your choices carefully to make sure everything is correct. Then proceed to confirm. At this stage, you'll need to provide your billing address and payment information. Accuracy is important to prevent any issues with processing your subscription. Finally, click Make Payment. This will complete your Zoho purchase and activate your subscription immediately. Congratulations, you now have full access to your Zoho tools and can start managing your business more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow Zoho guides and tutorials.